This is the Cruising Alcoholic. Right now I am on board Harmony of the Seas, and I wanted to give you my cabin tour of the ultra spacious ocean view room. It is on deck 11, and let's begin the tour. So walking in, you have the double bunk beds, which is really convenient when you have children or sharing room with family members. There's cabinet number closet number 1. I already came in here, so excuse the mess. A couch that can pull out into a pull-out, and safe and other storage compartments. Great for shoes and other stuff. And then here I've already unpacked. This is clothes. This can fit suitcases, bag. Excuse the mess. But yes. And then there's the TV, of course. There's the bed. We've already kind of laid in it a little bit, so excuse the mess. And then here is the porthole. Great view. Right now we're in port of Galveston, Texas. Smooth check-in, by the way. We were able to get on board immediately at 10:30. Here we are. Here is the shower, toilet, sink area, plenty of storage here to keep throughout the week. Ultimately great for, I would say, 5 to 6 guests. And that concludes my cabin tour. Thank you.